Hi everyone, this is a quick update. I became eligible to upgrade my Ejoic premium plan. In fact, it was there in my dashboard for past few weeks, but I just sat on it. I was just thinking, should I continue with Ejoic or should I apply for Mediavine? Because of that reason, I did not really upgrade. Then finally, after speaking to few people, still there was no conclusive evidence that Mediavine is going to give a significantly high revenue. Because of that reason, I decided that I am going to continue with Ejoic for now. So then immediately I picked up the upgrade, premium upgrade. So just wanted to share details with all of you. And also one more update is my niche site number 3 is now got approved in Ejoic and it's just got onboarded. So let me get into the details. So here is my current plan, in the sense before upgrade, my earlier plan, just now I got upgraded anyway. So just before upgrade, this was the plan. So I was paying per month about $110 for as part of premium plan. If you remember my monthly income reports, I actually show this particular cost head as the premium plan cost. If you have not watched my latest income reports of the month of May, please go and check it out. So you can see there about $110 per month. That was my old plan. Now the new plan is I upgraded to $220 per month. That's the new plan. So normally how it happens is, this all depends on the monthly revenue, because now my monthly revenue is about $1,000, more than $1,000 from Ejoic alone. So that's how I became eligible for this plan. You can see here, if you are in between 250 to 599, you will be eligible for this 110. But now my revenues got increased, so I became eligible. So this is the plan I picked up, Elite plan. And probably maybe in a few months I may become eligible to the next plan. I will see at that time if I want to really move or I want to continue with this. For now, I upgraded myself to Elite in 4-star plan, that is a $220 per month Elite plan basically. So if you see the details here, what it says is, if you pick this plan, you can see the orange box at the bottom. Earlier plan, as per earlier plan, if I am paying about $110 per month, then in per month this particular plan will bring me additional about $165 to $210. That's the more like some kind of an assurance that Ejoic gives. And if I as per the new plan, as per this $220 plan, it should bring about $330 to $420. What happened is, so far for the last few months, this particular plan, this 110 plan was bringing me about anywhere between $170 to $180 of revenue for me. So that means at least whatever the minimum assurance that they are providing as per the plan, I think it's being met. So with that experience, I decided that I will pick up this plan now, because the minimum is about 330. So even if you take out 220 from there, another $110 is net profit, even if it is on the lower level. So if it goes on the higher level, the profit is going to be more. So considering my experience with the earlier plan, I thought that this is going to be a profitable move. So that's because of that reason I actually upgraded. So let's see how it happens. Hopefully I think next month onwards I should see some increase in the premiums, and which should contribute to overall revenue from the Ejoic. So that's the one update. And the second one is my site 3 started doing slightly well. If you remember my analytics and content update for the last month, for the month of May, I did mention that it is just opening up. This is the analytics report for the niche site 3. If you have not yet watched my video about May month's analytics and traffic, please go and check it out. So as I said, you can see the trend slowly going up. It is opening up. I am expecting that very soon it's going to probably hit about that cross that 1,000 mark, 1,000 visitors per month, and then probably it may actually pick up the speed. So looking at this positive trend and also the way number of keywords getting accumulated into top 100, I thought it is the right time to apply to get the ads onto this site. Then applied to for Ejoic. Normally there is some limitation for Ejoic, that some minimum traffic and all that, but Off late they are opening up the channels for the low traffic sites also. However, once you apply, they review the site and then they take a call whether they want to approve it or not. So applied, and then they took about 24 hours and finally I got an approval. So now there are Ejoic ads on site number 3 as well. The most interesting thing is this site actually looking very promising with respect to the revenues. Of course, it is too early to say anything about it because Ejoic takes about, they say about it takes about anywhere from 6 to 8 weeks to settle down with respect to revenues and all that. But what I observed so far with other sites is typically in the beginning the earnings would be low and slowly they become, they increase. Whereas for this particular site, if you see there is a EPMV at the end, you can notice here is a $21 considering for last 15 days off of this month. Of course, revenues, overall revenues are only in cents, not even crossed the dollar so far, but the EPMV looking very promising. So in the early days itself, if this is the EPMV, I am expecting that it should be in the long run also should be above 20. If it holds that trend, if EPMV is above $20 and or anywhere around $25, that looks very strong with respect to revenues. That means if I manage to get more traffic for this, the revenues will be pretty good. So that's the exciting part about this particular site after I onboarded it onto Ejoic. That's another update I just wanted to share. So hopefully I think next few months this should start attracting more and more traffic, which should also earn some decent amount of money from Ejoic. So anyways, I will keep you posted in monthly status report, monthly income reports as well as in the analytics reports. So those are the quick updates I just wanted to share with all of you. If you have any questions, please do ask in the comment section. Thanks for your time. Bye.